Good afternoon, everyone. So it's my parang sad duty to inform everyone that our urgent motion to withdraw the issuance of a warrant of arrest has not yet been given due course, and that an order has been issued for the issuance of a warrant of arrest against Senator Jinggoy Estrada. We kind of understand that what we filed was extraordinary, but we hope that the justices of the Sandigan Bayan will understand that we, through our client, have not received a copy of the Ombudsman resolution charging him with crimes. We have not received a copy of the DOJ resolution charging him with crimes, namely anti-graft, 2 counts, and 1 count of plunder. So how are we expected to file a proper motion when we don't even know what the basis for the filing of these charges is? In any case, we will bow to the supremacy of the Sandigan Bayan, and Senator Jinggoy will submit himself for bail.
Sir, ano mangyayari kung on the same day maglabas ng warrant ang 5th Division handling the plunder case?
We'll just have to address that when it happens. Because
No, but if it's with same day, sir. If today.
yun nga eh. That's something we'll just have to cross when when it happens.
Pero attorney, nasan po ngayon si Senator Jay?
I don't have that information. Oo.
Pero required po siyang dumarating dito ngayon.
Kasi normally for when you're asking for a bail hearing, you're required to surrender kasi. So mapipilitan talaga si Senator Jinggoy na magpakita. We're just hoping that we can do it in a way that's medyo dignified. Pasensya na kayo. We understand na mapangailangan naman kayo to report the news. Pero at the same time, we don't want to expose him kasi nga, as we've already explained, hindi namin naiintindihan kung bakit na-filean siya.
But attorney, you were saying kanina na parang you have an appeal to the 5th Division na parang sana naman hindi same day.
We actually appeal to all of the divisions. We appeal to the 2nd Division, we appeal to the 5th Division. But hindi na namin alam. All we can say as of now is that the order that issued against Senator Jinggoy made no mention of our urgent motion. So maybe there's still a chance that they'll take cognizance of the
Kailan saan
motion.
nyo final yung urgent motion?
Just this morning, bago mag-lunch.
To withdraw sir yung pag-i-issue ng
Wag muna, oo. Kasi nga, dahil wala nga kaming nalalaman tungkol dun sa pag-issue ng mga paratang lamang kay Senator Jinggoy, ay ang hirap namang sagutin, di ba?
Pero
Kung
kumusta po
nag-file
ngayon
po
si
kayo ng urgent motion kanina, anong purpose ng pagpunta po ninyo ngayong oras na ito dito, attorney?
Ayun, so nalaman na nga namin na there's been an order for the issuance of a warrant of arrest. So we informed si Senator, and then we were informed that he would already submit himself for a bail hearing.
Kamusta siya?
I don't have that information also.
So physically, attorney, so physically,
hintayin niya po yung implementation of the warrant. Will he surrender or?
No, he'll come to the court. Oh,
so
he'll come
physically
to the
pupunta
court.
po siya ngayon dito?
Oo. He'll be here.
Pero
He'll be
sir,
here.
na-mention din po ni SILG na may problema po siya sa tuhod. Ano po ba yung mangyayari doon, sir? Or will you be filing a motion for that?
Well, unfortunately, there's nothing in the court procedures that allows us to excuse him from attending personally because of a physical injury. So,
Pero kailan ba, sir, nangyari tong injury niya sa tuhod?
I don't have that information also. I'm sorry. Oo.
Sir, yung urgent motion to stop the issuance of the warrant of
Yes.
arrest,
Oo.
filed before 5th and 2nd?
Yes. Filed before both divisions. Early this morning. Yeah.
Pero wala pa po kayo
Before
alam
lunch.
na may warrant na from 5th Division? Wala pa.
Wala pa kaming balita about the 5th
Surrender,
division.
isn't he supposed to surrender po sa law enforcers, not po sa court? Or
No,
pwede
because
sa
the court is the one issuing the order for the warrant of arrest. So he can surrender himself directly to the court. Because the idea is the enforcement of the warrant of arrest is simply following the orders of the court. So there's no problem.
Bilang abogado, attorney, anong reaction ninyo? Ano ang pakiramdam ninyo? Anong nasa isip ninyo?
Malungkot lang kami pero
Kapapile lang ninyo yung urgent motion. Pero
yes, malungkot
may
kami. May malungkot kami, but we're hoping that maybe the justices will still pay attention to our motion.
Thank you, attorney.
Thank you, attorney.
Thank you.
Attorney, nawala.
Ano? Arkin,